In this lesson, we're going to talk about the Disney Vacation Club. Now, this is not going to be an overall how much it costs or anything like that. This is purely just going to be what are the benefits of the Disney Vacation Club, and do I think it's worth it, and what are the resorts involved with the Disney Vacation Club. So the Disney Vacation Club is Disney's version of a timeshare. Now, I know the word timeshare to some people kind of makes you want to hide in a corner and never come out, and you hear the horror stories of certain timeshare companies not letting you leave until you buy something from them. Disney's is completely different, and quite frankly, it is, my opinion, one of the better timeshares out there. I would not be standing here as a member of the Disney Vacation Club if I didn't believe in what it does. So now Disney's version of a timeshare works in a point-based system, meaning that you're not buying a week or two a year. You're actually just buying an allotment of points that you can use whenever, however you want. So let's take this as an example. Let's say I want to stay at Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort. Sure, I could pay for a cash reservation, but I could also use my points and use it to purchase the resort as well. See what I'm getting at? So it's going to save you money in the long run because you're paying for 50 years of Disney vacations. Now, these points don't have to be used just at Walt Disney World. They can be used at Disneyland, Adventures by Disney, and the cruises. Now, I don't recommend using your points for cruises or Adventures by Disney because of one thing. There is a $90 conversion fee, and it's not worth the fee just to book those. And quite frankly, your points are better spent on Disney resorts or the RCI collection than they are on the Adventures by Disney or the Disney Cruise because of that conversion fee that is involved. So let's go ahead and talk now. What are the benefits? Well, the first thing is you can book your home resort. That's the resort you buy into at 11 months out. So I purchased at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. The Grand Floridian, I can book 11 months out from my trip. All the other resorts, I can book at 7 months out. So, I'll give you a great example. I just booked a trip in August through the Disney Vacation Club. I booked Animal Kingdom Lodge. That's not my home resort, but I could book it now because it's 7 months out. The second benefit you get to being a member of Disney Vacation Club is you get a 10% discount on all merchandise. All merchandise. You get access to member events and member locations. Two of the more popular locations are Top of the World Lounge, which is located on the top floor of Disney's Bay Lake Tower. It's a really nice lounge. It's got an amazing view of Magic Kingdom, and you can see Wishes. They piped the music in, so it is by far one of my favorite experiences, standing on top of Bay Lake Tower and watching Wishes from up there. The second one is a relatively new one, and it was supposed to close at the end of 2016, but they have extended it. They are keeping it open through 2017, and that is the DVC Member Lounge at Epcot. It's in the Imagination Pavilion. I have not yet been up there. I'm really excited because I get to go up there in like 17 days, and I'm going to check it out and see what it's all about. So that is at Epcot. And you also get access to member-only events. These member-only events, they're a little hard to plan around, and I would not plan a trip around a member-only event because A, it's not always guaranteed to happen. B, you usually won't know about it until about a month or two before the event. And 3, they can be kind of expensive because even though you get exclusive access, they're still paid events and they still can be kind of expensive. Another benefit you get for being a member of Disney Vacation Club is you get access to discounted annual passes, meaning you get access to the Gold Pass. The Gold Pass is only available to Florida residents and to Disney Vacation Club members, and it is sold at a cheaper price than the Platinum Pass, which you would normally have to buy as a non-Florida resident. I'm doing really good. Another perk you're going to get when you become a member of Disney Vacation Club is you get award-winning telephone support. The toll-free number that you can call is the people that work there are amazing. I have called and I have actually gotten amazing service. We all know the standard 407W Disney number. It's a standard number. Millions of people call it every day. I'm not dissing them. Those guys are amazing too. However, the folks at the Disney Vacation Club, because you are a member, because you have paid a premium to be there for 50 years, you get extraordinary service. I've been able to book things that a lot of times I can usually have a hard time getting through 407W Disney, such as Be Our Guest. I was able to get a Be Our Guest dinner reservation when it was pretty much booked up. There was one left. They could see it. The 407 number still couldn't see it because it hadn't yet clicked over as available yet on that system. So just keep that in mind. And here's the other trick. They sometimes can go outside the 10-day window. I'm not going to guarantee it. I'm not saying it's official, but once in a while I have gotten outside that 10-day window when booking my dining reservations because of the Disney Vacation Club's amazing customer service.